Hello and welcome back to another edition of the Laughing Place Video News Update. I'm Becca Burbank, here to bring you the latest Disney parks, movies, and TV news for February 24th, 2021. First up this week, Walt Disney World has shared the first details about their upcoming 50th anniversary celebration. The festivities will kick off on the anniversary itself, October 1st, 2021, and continue for 18 months. As part of the celebration, shimmering iridescent decor will appear around the resort, while each of the park icons transform into beacons of magic at night with the help of projection and lighting effects. Meanwhile, Disney also noted that the new lighting that will be added to Spaceship Earth in time for the 50th will continue even after the celebration is over. Of course, Mickey and Minnie will also be donning new outfits for the milestone anniversary, with these celebratory designs featuring embroidered impressions of Cinderella Castle backed by fireworks. With several months to go before the big day arrives, we can expect to hear much more about the world's most magical celebration as October 1st draws near. Over on the West Coast, the Disneyland Resort has announced more details about the ticketed event coming to Disney California Adventure. Dubbed A Touch of Disney, these limited capacity events will begin March 18th. As promised, these events will feature some of the Disneyland Resort's most iconic culinary treats, from Dole Whips to Monte Cristos. Many of these favorites will be served in snack-sized portions at various locations around the park, as well as at 6 seasonal and creatively themed marketplaces. Plus, guests will have a chance to see Disney characters and pose at unique photo locations. A Taste of Disney will be offered Thursday through Monday from noon to 8 p.m. beginning March 18th. The $75 ticket includes admission, parking for the experience at Mickey and Friends parking structure, unlimited downloads of Disney PhotoPass photos taken during the day of the event, and a $25 A Touch of Disney dining card, valid towards the purchase of food and non-alcoholic beverages. Tickets for the initial round of A Touch of Disney events will be available on Disneyland.com beginning March 4th. Also at the Disneyland Resort, the villas at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa are once again getting ready to reopen. Previously, the property was expected to reopen on December 6th of last year, but regional stay-at-home guidelines issued just days before that date postponed the return. When it does reopen, the villas will be available for Disney Vacation Club members and their guests, but the rest of the resort, in addition to the Disneyland Hotel, Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel, Disneyland Park, and Disney California Adventure Park, will remain closed. For more information and to make reservations, DVC members can visit the Vacation Club website. These days, fans are well versed in the Star Wars universe as well as the Marvel Cinematic Universe. But what if there was a Magic Kingdom universe? Well, now it seems that such a prospect may be in the cards, as Disney is reportedly developing projects for Disney+, including a Society of Explorers and Adventurers, or SEA, television show. If you're unfamiliar, characters associated with SEA, as well as references to members, can currently be found in a number of Disney parks, attractions, and locations, including Tower of Terror and Soarin' Fantastic Flight at Tokyo Disney Sea, Mystic Manor at Hong Kong Disneyland, Skipper's Canteen at Magic Kingdom Park, Tropical Hideaway at Disneyland Park, and more. According to The Hollywood Reporter, the Society of Explorers and Adventurers is being created by Ron Moore, who recently signed a development deal with Disney. However, we'll need to wait and see if this project and potential television universe manage to get off the ground. In other Disney Plus news, the streaming service has announced a number of upcoming premiere dates. First, the new show Big Shot, starring John Stamos and Yvette Nicole Brown, among others, will kick off on April 16th. Then, the Clone Wars spin-off, Star Wars The Bad Batch, will have a special premiere on May 4th, with the animated series' second episode arriving on May 7th. 1 week later, High School Musical, the series, will kick off its second season. Elsewhere, Marvel's Loki will arrive on June 11th, The Mysterious Benedict Society will debut on June 25th, the long-awaited Monsters at Work, featuring returning stars Billy Crystal and John Goodman, will premiere on July 2nd, Turner and Hooch, starring Josh Peck, bowing on July 16th, and the new collection of shorts titled Chip 'n Dale Park Life, beginning on July 23rd. Finally this week, in some Disney-adjacent news, Longtime Imagineer Joe Rohde, who recently retired from the company after 40 years, has announced that he'll be joining the team at Virgin Galactic. Rohde will serve as experience architect for the company and will help design and guide the overall experience journey for astronauts and enthusiasts. Incidentally, Rohde isn't the only Disney alum on Virgin Galactic's payroll, as former president and managing director of Disney Parks International, Michael Colglazer, now serves as CEO for the company. In a statement about his new role, Rohde said, "This is one of the most profound things that can happen to you, to go beyond the reaches of the Earth, to space, and to look back down at it. It's a spectacularly unique opportunity with huge potential for transformational change in a person. What Virgin Galactic is doing in democratizing space travel has reached a moment where it is about to enter history." And that will do it for this week's Laughing Place Video News Update. For more on the latest news from around the Walt Disney Company, be sure to visit laughingplace.com and subscribe to our channel right here on YouTube. Until next time, bye-bye.